Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your Google AdSense account. If your account has been closed or deactivated and you want to get back to monetizing your content, this process is surprisingly straightforward and takes just a few moments to complete. First, open your web browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. This is the official Google AdSense homepage where all account management takes place. Once you arrive at the page, you'll need to ensure you're signed into the correct Google account. This is a crucial step because you must use the same Google account that was previously associated with your closed AdSense account. If you're not already logged in, or if you're signed into a different account, click on your profile icon at the top right and switch to the appropriate account. Google won't allow you to reactivate an account unless you're signed in with the exact credentials that were originally linked to it. After you've confirmed you're logged into the right account, the AdSense dashboard should display a notification or option related to your account status. Look for a button or link that says Reactivate Account. This button is typically prominently displayed if your account is eligible for reactivation. Click on it to proceed. By clicking this button, you're essentially requesting Google to restore your access and reinstate your ability to earn revenue through AdSense. The system will process your request, and in most cases, your account will be reactivated immediately. And that's it. Your Google AdSense account should now be reactivated and ready to use again. You can verify this by checking your account status on the dashboard, which should now show that your account is active. From here, you can continue managing your ad placements and tracking your earnings just as you did before. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.